So hello everybody, today we will work with our hips, plies and how to stretch your legs. So stay with me and we will get started. So first, what we're starting to do, we'll get started from stand. We'll start to do plies. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's sit. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Moved in that side. Take our hands, move up and sit. 2, sit. 3, sit. 4, sit. 5, sit. Get stand in this position and move our hands. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Get back and change. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. After we will get dry. Sit and takes our legs on plies. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sit. Good work. Sit in this side and starting working with our knee. So we starting pushing on the floor and back. 2, back. 3, back. 4, back. And 5, back. Get strong leg and starting working moves with this leg. So take it 1, back. 2, back. 3, back. 4, back. 5, back. Push our elbow and take stretch. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Get change. Take elbow and stretch. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. Try to take 2 legs together and starting do circle. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Take stretch 2 legs together, take hands behind and starting to pushing. So 1, up, 2, up, 3, up, 4, up, and 5. Relax. Good work. Take 2 legs together, take breathe, slowly breathe out and go down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So thank you so much for watching. I will hope that you like it. Subscribe me, take me likes, and going to watch my other videos. Bye bye.